Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. This is number 7. And here I label what each variable represents. So in this case, the X represents the number of non-students and Y represents the number of students. So now that we know what X and Y stands for, here we have that the total students, X plus Y, is 186. Then they gave us that we have 16X plus 12Y equals 2,640. So that's the price of the two different tickets. In this case, we have that it's 16 for non, 12 for those who are students. So in this case, I chose to use the elimination. You could have used substitution if you wanted to, but I decided to use the elimination method. So in this case, I decided that I wanted to eliminate the X's. So here in this case, the least common multiple between 16 and 1. Remember, when there is no number in front of the variable, 1 is understood to be there. So the least common multiple between 1 and 16 is 16. So here you see that I'm multiplying the first equation by negative 16. Why did I multiply by negative 16? Why can't I multiply by positive? Can you tell me that? Why did I multiply that first equation by negative 16? Why can't I just multiply it by 16? Correct. The reason why I needed to multiply that first equation by negative 16, because in order for these X terms to cancel, they must be opposite in sign or additive inverses of one another. So we now know that when we combine these equations, we now get that the 16s cancel, and now combining these, we get 12 minus 16y. Well, 12y minus 16y is negative 4y, and negative 2976 plus 2640 gives me negative 336. So we now know we need to get the y by itself. It's being multiplied by negative 4. So we know we need to divide both sides by negative 4. So y equals 84 student tickets were sold. So now we need to find out, well, how many non-student tickets were sold. So in place of the y, we substitute the 84. Then we solve for x, so we subtract 84, and we find out that 102 non-student tickets were sold. So please let me know if this was of help to you. Again, ladies and gentlemen, have a fantastic and outstanding day. This is your teacher and instructor, Mr. Joshua Davis. Thank you for joining me.